advantages of mediation are several. First, it's an informal, confidential process. Second part about mediation that's an advantage is that the parties do retain control over the outcome. Nobody can force resolution at a mediation. It's an opportunity for the parties to come together, talk about it, and reach a voluntary solution to their problems. It also encourages interest-based negotiations as opposed to strictly positional bargaining. What that means is you don't have to take your extreme position and fight to win. You can take an interest-based negotiation. We all have an interest in something, whether it's finishing the project, closing the project, having things go smoothly in the future. So it enables interest-based negotiation. It also allows for some creative problem solving. You know, lawyers see the world in a certain way. There's a law, somebody broke the law, or somebody violated a provision of the law, and there's remedy, there's damages, usually it's money. Mediation enables the parties just to sit together, put their heads together and decide, hey, how can we make this right? Maybe there's, I need you to concede something on this project. Maybe there's another project down the road you can help me with. Many different creative problem-solving techniques can happen at mediation. It also helps if you have a concern for future or current business relationships. If you have a dispute with a party or an entity that you plan to do business with, have done business with, are currently doing business with, mediation gives you a chance to talk without attacking. It gives you a chance to preserve those relationships going forward. The mediation also provides the assistance of a third-party neutral. You have the person that you've selected as the mediator. They're there as a neutral party. They're not meant to take sides. They're meant to facilitate. You can actually run your ideas by them. If you think, hey, this was wrong, this was right, and sometimes they can give you some feedback in private if necessary, or together, or whatever works. But it is good to have sort of a sounding board for the ideas and problems that you have. Finally, it obviously, if done early enough in the process, it provides an opportunity to resolve things early. The litigation process, a lengthier process, it gets expensive. If you do a mediation early in the process, you can take into account all the legal fees and other things that you might spend litigating, and it kind of gives you a little bit more room usually to negotiate your dispute. So those are some of the advantages of our mediation process.